How I'm planning to turn $10,000 to $1 million in this crypto bull run, and by watching this video until the end you will be able to do the same. Bitcoin recently broke its all-time high again and reached $105,000. XRP, the coin that everyone wrote off, reached the price of $2.50 just in a month. These are all easy signs that bull run is already here, and if you want to make the most amount of money possible in 2025, you have to act fast, otherwise you will lose the opportunity of a lifetime. And in today's video I will cover everything you need to know, starting from why I believe this will be the biggest bull run in entire crypto history and will make a lot of people millionaires, including you. Then what will be the biggest narratives in this bull run and on what you should keep your eye on, because even if you are starting early you need to know what coins and what sectors to buy, otherwise you will lose so much money buying coins that will not perform well. Also, how the crypto money flow works and when you have to switch your money from one to other coin in order to always be profitable and not be sitting too long in performed coins that will no longer be pumping. And it's very important to know, because yes, you can make a lot of money, but our goal is to buy a coin, wait until it pumps and take our backs before it crashes. Top altcoins, meme coins and even NFTs you need to buy now before their massive growth that can bring you 10, 15 or even 100x's in this month. In the end, the most important part, when to exit and sell your positions, because if you don't know, it's very easy to buy in crypto, but it's very hard to sell. And I've seen a lot of people on my 5-year crypto journey that made millions of dollars but didn't manage to sell in time and lost everything they had. If you don't want to repeat their mistakes, make sure you will watch everything very carefully. For those who don't know, my name is Chingis and I made over $4 million in crypto by the age of 21, and I'll be leading you towards the generational wealth that is waiting for you at the end of this crypto labyrinth and help you to avoid a lot of the traps that you'll be facing on your journey. The reason why I believe this will be the biggest bull run in entire crypto history. First, let's start with the numbers. Bitcoin has smashed through $100,000, hitting $105,000. XRP is soaring, trading at $2.3, with some experts saying it could go as high as $20 per coin this year. But it's not just Bitcoin and XRP. Check this out. Ethereum jumped from $1,800 to $4,000. Solana went from $94 to $250. Dogecoin rocketed from 0.15 cents to 0.36 cents, rising for 150%. Shiba Inu skyrocketed by 200%. Cardano up 95% from 0.45 cents to more than $1. Polkadot up 110% from $3.50 to $7.3. Litecoin up 80% from $58 to $105. Chainlink up 105% from $10 to $22 per coin. BNB up 90% from $372 to $707. AVAX up 130% from $45 to $103. And the list goes on and on and on. Every corner of the market is booming and the momentum just keeps building. When coins hit new highs, they grab everyone's attentions, investors, the media, even people who have never touched crypto before. And this excitement creates a ripple effect, bringing in new money and driving prices even higher. Here's the game changer. Big players like BlackRock and Fidelity have jumped in crypto, and in just the last 4 months institutions have invested over $17 billion. And these aren't small moves, these are the world's biggest financial institutions putting real money into the market, bringing stability and confidence. And when Wall Street gets involved, you know it's serious. When institutions invest, it's like a stamp of approval. It makes crypto feel safer and more legitimate to everyone, from big companies to everyday investors. That kind of a trust can take the market to levels we've never seen before. Let's talk about something fun. Play to earn games like Hamster Combat and Notcoin. These games are bringing millions of new users in crypto. Airdrops are doing the same thing, giving people free tokens to get started. Over the past few months, millions of people have joined the crypto world this way, and many of them are sticking around, learning and investing. And why this even matters? These new users are bringing fresh energy and money into the market. They're learning how crypto works, getting excited about the potential and driving up demand. It's like lighting a fire under the market. And remember the last bull runs? A lot of people watch from the sidelines thinking, I wish I'd gotten in. Well, this time they are not watching. In the past 4 months alone, retail investors have pumped over $5 billion into crypto. They are ready and they don't want to miss out again. And why this is big? New money from retail investors creates a snowball effect. More demand means higher prices, which brings even more investors. It's like a chain reaction that keeps building momentum. Now here's the wild card. Donald Trump is back as president and he's pro-crypto. He's already making big moves like creating a national Bitcoin reserve reserve and appointing Elon Musk as the head of the US Crypto Innovation Council, and he has tapped Elon Musk to head what he's calling the Department of Government Efficiency, or DOGE. He literally named it after a meme coin called Doge. Trump's administration is focused on making the US a global crypto leader with clear regulations and full support for digital assets. And why this is a game changer? Government support removes a lot of uncertainty from the market. It makes it easier for big companies and regular people to trust crypto. With Trump leading the charge, we're seeing a massive wave of confidence and growth. Let me break it down first. I don't and I won't hold any Bitcoin because Bitcoin has shown tremendous rise in the last year, and now it stands on over $100,000 per coin. And if you are not selling and transferring your money to other coins, you are going to lose millions and millions of dollars. Why? It's easy. If you want to make at least 2x's on a Bitcoin, it should go to $200,000, which is still possible. But if Bitcoin goes 2x's, the smaller coins will go 20 or even 200x's. That's why you should play smart in order to make a generational wealth at this bull run. And you need to know what the current meta and narrative is, due to the fact that if you are holding coins in the narrative no one cares about, none of that coins will go up and you will also be losing a lot of money. So the best narratives of this bull run are meme coins, like it was with NFTs in the previous bull market. And I'm sure you have seen how people are turning $100 to millions overnight on some chill guy, Pina, that has meme coins. But the narratives in this space is changing rapidly, and you always have to keep one's finger on the pulse and track the meta in order to make huge profits. If you want to ask me what is the meta right now, I will say AI. And if you ask me what coins I should buy, I will tell you a bit later in this video. At first, I have to tell you how the crypto money flow works. Bitcoin usually is the starting point for most bull runs. When Bitcoin rallies, everyone focuses on it, holding on to their Bitcoin to ride the wave. For example, in the past few months, Bitcoin has climbed from $70,000 to over $105,000, catching everyone's attention. At this stage, most of the market's money stays in Bitcoin. It's the leader and other coins don't see much movement yet. But once Bitcoin slows down, the real fun begins. After Bitcoin's rally, investors start taking profits and look for opportunities in large cap altcoins, projects like Ethereum, Solana, XRP, etc. Here's what happened recently. Ethereum went from $1.9k to $4,000. Solana jumped from $100 to $250,000. XRP skyrocketed from 0.8 cents to almost $3 just in a month. This phase is about big established projects that feel safe for investors looking to rotate their profits into new opportunities. Once large cap coins have had their movement, the money trickles down to smaller altcoins. These are riskier, but the potential gains are much higher. Recently we've seen Avalanche from $45 to $103, Chainlink from $10 to $22. And at this stage, investors are chasing projects with solid fundamentals but smaller market caps. This is where you can see massive growth. Finally, when the market gets really euphoric, money flows into meme coins. These are high risk, high reward plays, but they thrive when the market is full of profits and excitement. For example, Dogecoin pumped from 0.50 cents to 0.36 cents, up 150%. Shiba Inu exploded by 200% just in a month, investing one and taking off $3,000. And this place is where the market goes wild and people take big risks for potentially huge returns. And that's simply how crypto money flow works, from Bitcoin to large caps to small caps and then to meme coins, is what drives the market. It's like a waterfall. Money flows from the top, Bitcoin, to the riskiest assets at the bottom, meme coins. Understanding this flow helps you spot opportunities. For example, if Bitcoin's rally is slowing, it might be time to look at the large cap. If large caps are pumping, smaller altcoins could be next. So there you have it. The flow of money in crypto explained step by step. If you understand this cycle, you can position yourself better in the market and catch the wave as they come. And now is the time to find the best coins to buy. First, you need to realize that it's important to buy coins that are not listed on top tech exchanges like Binance, Bybit, Coinbase, etc. because there is not much to make on them and they have already shown their rise. So instead, go on chain and use decentralized exchanges DEXs to trade lesser known coins. Coins on major exchanges will go up driving this bull run, but if you are not using leverage on managing a big portfolio, the gains might not be as exposed as you hope. That's why learning to go on chain and use DEXs like Uniswap or KyberSwap can unlock more potential. If you want to find big wins in crypto, focus on trends that aren't popular yet. Right now everyone's talking about AI, but quantum computing is starting to pop up. Getting into projects tied to cybersecurity or quantum tech early could lead to huge gains. I've used this strategy to find projects that made from 5 to 15x returns. It's not easy. It takes time to spot this trend. If you are new, stick to solid projects in ecosystems that are already doing well. Less hype often means you are early, but it comes with risk if the trend doesn't take off. Sometimes the best move is to keep it simple. Focus on research and proven strategies. And let's dive into the current trends. Right now, meme coins and AI are dominating dominating the narrative in crypto. Early in 2024, meme coins outperformed every other category, leading the market until November. This isn't the first time we've seen such trends. In the 2021 cycle, DeFi, decentralized finances, was the big story. Instead of earning 4% in a saving account, people could lock their funds in the DeFi project and earn 10, 15, or even 20% yield. DeFi was a game changer, driving massive gains during that time. Now, while DeFi is making a comeback, the spotlight has shifted to AI agents, and it's shaping up to be even bigger. Earlier this year, the AI hype started strong, but most projects lacked real tech. They just slapped AI onto their name to ride the trend. Recently, though, there have been major breakthroughs. For example, OpenAI's latest advancement, like their performances on the ARC benchmark, showed us how far AI has come. And the ARC test measures AI's ability to solve complex real-world problems, and OpenAI's newest model scored an incredible 87.5%, even outperforming the human benchmark of 85%. This is a clear signal that AI is moving beyond hype and becoming a transformative force in the crypto space. If you use tools like ChatGPT, you already know how powerful AI has become, but with the latest updates, we're seeing just how far AI has progressed, and it's only the beginning. Over the next few months, I believe AI will continue to dominate as we see even more breakthroughs. This isn't just hype, it's real innovation with practical uses. Imagine AI helping you trade smarter, conduct research faster, or gain better insights in the market. Combining a bull run with a transformative technology like this creates massive potential. We've seen this pattern before. In the last cycle, DeFi farming captured everyone's attention with its new opportunities and high yields. Now AI is stepping into the spotlight as the defining narrative of this cycle, and it's already changing the game. So what AI projects I'm watching right now? To find those 10 to 20x opportunities, you need to look for projects solving real problems. AI has plenty of challenges to tackle, and the key is identifying the ones making actual progress. In my view, we are moving through three phases of AI in crypto. The first phase was mostly hype. Projects simply added AI to their name to ride the trend. Even with no substance, some of them still managed to rally. Then came phase 2, which we recently seen. This is where AI agents started emerging, like Luna on the virtual network or XBT, which consistently shares valuable insights. These agents are more sophisticated and provide real utility. Now we're entering phase 3, where AI agents are becoming more advanced, almost sentient. They're developing personalities, interacting with the internet, and creating tools that genuinely help into day-to-day life. Even in the phase 3 of AI development, many so-called decentralized AI agents still rely on centralized, closed-source models like GPT-4 or Claude, which raises questions about their true independence. Are these agents actually making decisions, or is someone controlling them behind the scene? On top of that, the market is getting flooded with predatory projects where developers tokenize something, slap AI on it, and hype it up as the next big thing, only for it to turn out to be a pump and dump scheme. When it comes to investing in AI, you can either focus on individual agents or the infrastructure behind them. It's like choosing between a specific stock or an index fund. There are already some interesting categories of AI agents emerging, like 3D model agents that animate, live stream, and interact with communities, or voice model agents like Cerebro that generate impressive music actually. You also have personality-driven agents like the ones on Twitter designed purely to roast people, as well as streaming agents that create content on platforms like Twitch, YouTube, and TikTok, even generating their own income. But the most exciting use case for AI agents, in my opinion, is autonomous trading agents. These tools can manage tasks like swapping tokens, bridging networks, checking profits and losses, and executing trades, taking the heavy lifting off your shoulders and help you to make more money in trading. I see a near future where AI completely changed the game in crypto trading. It might happen in the next few weeks or months, but during this bull run, I believe most of the winning wallets you see on platforms like DEX Screener, or the ones with the biggest P&Ls, will be powered by AI, outperforming human traders. Instead of the market being PvP, player versus player, we'll shift to PvAI, where humans compete against AI-driven strategies. Beyond trading, there will also be DeFi-focused agents designed to optimize yield strategies and manage lending liquidity, making it easier and more efficient for users. Additionally, abstraction agents will handle the complexities of on-chain interactions. They'll take care of bridging, swapping, and managing liquidity, so you won't need to worry about the technical details. These agents will simplify the process, allowing you to focus on results without dealing with the hard tasks. If there is one AI project I'm most excited about right now, it's Virtual's protocol. With a market cap of $3 billion, it's already showing strong growth, and here's why I'm bullish. Virtual has over 11,000 AI agents in its ecosystem and more than 330,000 holders. If you've been on Twitter, you might have seen agents like AIXBT, which has been gaining traction and currently sits at $324 million of market cap. To access these agents, you need to buy Virtual's token first, which supports the ecosystem and drives up the token's value. Virtual reminds me of Pump.5, fun and project that generated over $337 million in revenue this year. Similarly, the Virtual is generating significant revenue from its AI agents, which is a strong indicator of sustainability. In crypto, I've learned to prioritize companies that are profitable. They reinvest, scale, grow their developer base, and strengthen their ecosystem. Virtuals has also shown resilience, with its founder clearly articulating a long-term vision in multiple interviews. We made a call about this coin in my Telegram group at only $1 billion market cap, and now it stands on $3 billion, meaning everyone who is my Telegram group already made 3x on this play. And if you don't want to miss such opportunity in the future, follow my Telegram right now, link in the description. I am opening only 50 free spots right now for y'all, so do it now, link in the description. And at $3 billion of market cap, it might seem like a high entry point, but the project has proven otherwise. I believe Virtuals could easily surpass $10 during this bull run, possibly hitting $15 or $20 as the market matures. Earlier this year, I highlighted Virtuals when its market activity was less exciting. Back in October, the game changed when they transitioned fully into AI agents, and since then, they have been crushing it. One project I like to compare Virtuals to is BitTensor, also known as a Tower. Earlier this year, Tower had a massive rally, jumping from $268 to $700 almost instantly. Its market cap reached an all-time high of over $5 billion, while Virtuals is still sitting around $3 billion. I see a huge opportunity right here, as the growth of AI continues to accelerate. I genuinely believe Virtuals has the potential to climb into the top 20 cryptos, or even the top 10. That said, if you are someone who prefers riskier plays and finds a $3 billion market cap too high for your liking, there are small projects out there with even more speculative potential. And one of them is Near Protocol, which I believe is the top blue chip project in the AI category. Near checks all the boxes to become the leading layer 1 blockchain for AI applications. It's fully compatible with MetaMask and wallet infrastructure, making onboarding simple. Originally launched as a layer 1 for smart contracts, Near stands out because its two co-founders are AI researchers, and the team has a deep AI expertise. This unique combination of smart contract and AI development puts Near in the perfect position to be the most advanced AI smart contract layer 1 of this cycle. The next is Game. Game is essentially a low-code plug-and-play framework for AI agent developers. Think of it like WordPress or Shopify, tools that make building websites or online stores easy. Game does the same for AI agents, allowing developers to focus on innovation instead of repetitive tasks. And I believe Game still has a massive growth potential. Imagine a world where agent commerce surpasses human commerce, autonomous AI agents buying, selling and managing projects entirely on their own. This kind of innovation could reshape how we think about business and transactions. Even though I don't currently hold exposure to Game, I still see a lot of room for it to grow. It's definitely a project to watch closely as the AI space continues to expand. The fifth blue chip project on my list is OWASP Network, my top pick in the large cap category for a deep-in project. OWASP stands out as one of the projects with a perfect balance between advanced technology, adoption and market cap. Its close competitor is Akash Network, and I believe they will perform similarly. The deep-in narrative has gained a lot of traction over the past 2 years, leading to many new projects with large token unlocks still ahead. However, OWASP launched in April 2021 and all its tokens finish unlocking around Q4 2023, giving it a more stable foundation compared to newer projects. Next play is Luna, a standout AI project with $124 million market cap. Luna is doing something truly groundbreaking. She can create music and even generate income by streaming on platforms like TikTok and X. Before AI agents became a major trend, Luna was the original project that put Virtuals on the map. Her ability to produce music and the quality of what these AI tools are creating is actually impressive. And I wouldn't be surprised if in the future we see Luna featured at a major EDM concerts or on the big screens with popular artists. That would prove that AI agents aren't just a niche in the crypto space. They have the potential to break into the mainstream markets. When that happens, I believe that Luna's value would skyrocket even further. For now, I think AI agents like Luna and others remain massively undervalued, and there is still a lot of room for growth as this market matures. My next AI project and a bit of a sleeper pick is Arweave. I've held Arweave in my portfolio for most of 2024, and while the price hasn't performed well in the later half of the year, now is not the time to exit this project. The biggest catalyst for Arweave in the past 3 years is just around the corner. In February, they will be launching the Aude Computer, a decentralized computing layer built on top of Arweave, along with their new token. Despite its underperformance over the last 3 months, I plan to hold my position until this event, with an exit planned for February. After 5 months of price consolidation, this looks like a relatively safer entry point into the coin. And right now I'm most bullish on 2 AI projects, AIXBT and Wader AI. AIXBT with $300 million in market cap has been consistently consistently delivering great alpha which gives solid plays that I'm personally using in my trades to make more money. I believe it could easily reach a $1 billion in market cap thanks to its clear utility in helping users make better decisions and make more money in the market. Invader AI, on the other hand, is still massively undervalued, sitting under $100 million in market cap. Think of it as the BlackRock of AI agent economies, building an investment DAO empire. In the future, all these DAOs will have a manager controlling them, and unlike humans, AI agents can work without burnout or bias. I see Wader breaking $100 million in market cap soon and potentially achieving 3 or 5x growth as more people realize its potential. This is one to watch before it's too late. Then we have Humans AI. This is one of the most advanced AI agent networks, focusing on the AI narrative long before it became popular. Their reputation speaks for itself, as they've been developing human-like AI agents for years, and these AI agents can operate both as a real-world robots and virtual assistants. Recently, one of the agents even launched a MemeCoin entirely on its own, no blockchain developer or wallet custody needed, which was demonstrated live on the Crypto Banter stream. With a $260 million fully diluted valuation, it's a strong contender in the mid-cap range and a powerful project for those interested in the AI agents narrative. Now let's move on to the next project. Let's cover a few interesting plays in the AI and the crypto space. First, Griffin. We've discussed this before as a potential infrastructure play if AI agents continue gaining momentum, and its success will depend heavily on the quality of AI agents launched on the platform. But for now, I'm still more bullish on Virtuals and their proven track record. Another option to consider is of course Hyperliquid, a $9 billion market cap project currently ranked 24. While it's not going to give you a 50x return, I expect it to climb into the top 10 cryptos this bull run. Many see Hyperliquid as just another decentralized exchange, but it's more than that. It operates as a layer 1 blockchain with plans to build more infrastructure and applications. What's impressive is that they've done zero fundraising. Everything has come from fees, which they gave back to the community through an airdrop. I believe Hyperliquid could easily surpass $100 during this cycle and compete with major players like Solana. For those looking for high risk plays, consider Farm, an AI-driven gaming project with a current market cap of $33 million. Farm allows users to generate unique AI creatures by merging images, offering a creative gaming experience with AI tech. While it quickly reached a $50 million in market cap before pulling back, it's part of the larger AI hype ecosystem. However, this is a speculative play. I wouldn't hold it in long term, as it might not survive a bear market. But for those chasing high risk, high reward opportunities, Farm could be worth exploring. Another recent addition to my portfolio is Based AI, a highly promising AI compute network. At its current valuation, it offers the ability to create AI agents called creatures, and its ecosystems already included breakout agents like one inspired by the Jimmy E Ethereum meme that's gone viral on crypto Twitter. To create agents and utilize computer power, users must take 4 brains onto the network, which directly ties into the token's value. The brand is also appealing to retail investors, as it's developed by the same team behind PayPay Coins. The original PayPay meme coin launched in 2016, and we will dive deeper into PayPay Coins in the meme section later. Now let's talk about another project that is less risky but still has a solid potential, HyperIntern, ticker PER. This meme coin recently picked up $400 million in market cap when it hit around 7 cents, while it's pulled back a bit. PER stands out because every new chain or a narrative usually has 1 or 2 top meme coins that lead the charge. What makes PER interesting is that it's backed by some big names. For example, GCR, one of the most respected figures in crypto, either bought or received an airdrop of PER, according to on-chain data. PER also has the highest trading volume among hype meme coins, making it the blue chip meme coin of this ecosystem. If I had to compare it, I'd liken PER to meme coins like Schema's Dock of Base or Bonk on Solana. Its current market cap is around $200 million, but I believe it could easily reach $500 million or even $1 billion as market conditions improve. It rallied quickly to $400 million in market cap in just a week, showing how fast things can move in this space. As Hyperliquid grows and gains attention as a layer 1, I think more people will naturally explore its ecosystem, including PER. It's a clear exposure play worth keeping on your radar, especially if you're looking for meme coins tied to a larger growing narrative. And let's not forget about Sui, currently ranked 17 with a $13 billion of market cap. It's already listed on a major tier 1 exchanges like Crypto Crypto.com, Bybit, etc., making it highly accessible. I believe there is a strong chance Sui could eventually rival Solana in trading volume as the bull run continues. Right now, Sui is 17th, while Solana sits at 6th position, but Sui's potential for massive rally is undeniable. If you bought Sui before it hit $3, you'd already be sitting on solid gains. And recently, Sui announced a partnership with Phantom Wallet, making it much easier to bring you to the ecosystem. With a team of ex-Apple, ex-Google, and ex-Meta engineers, Sui was built using the same technology Facebook developed for its planned cryptocurrency, Libra. Most you guys should know. As you know, Mark Zuckerberg went through a ton of court hearings because of Facebook's privacy invasion, and I don't think he wanted to overexpose himself within a crypto space, especially because it was no unregulated back in the 2021 bull run. On top of that, Mark was also spending a ton of money on things like metaverse technology, which also lost him billions of dollars. So for those who know, you know, Sui was actually built off the same technology that Facebook was using to build this blue chip crypto project, while Libra never launched. Sui carries that foundational tech forward, making it safer, more established play in the crypto space. For those looking to maximize gains, there are opportunities in a lower cap project within the Sui ecosystem. While Sui itself might offer a 2 or 3x return, smaller projects could deliver higher multiplies. For example, Sui Land, a DeFi project with $100 million in market cap, is an interesting option for me. If Sui rallies, projects like Sui Land, which enable lending, staking, and other DeFi services, could attract attention and grow rapidly, similar to how Airdrop became a key player on Base. As for MemeCoins, the Sui ecosystem doesn't yet have a standout, but they are likely gems waiting to be discovered. If I find any promising ones, I'll be sure to share them in an upcoming video. For now, Sui itself remains a strong and a relatively safe choice for this bull run, with plenty of potential in its growing ecosystem. One project I'm really excited about right now is Pengu, which I've talked about in the previous videos. After the airdrop, Pengu saw a dip as the Bitcoin was also trending down, but it's been holding strong and it's now climbing back up to around 0.05 cents. And I'm bullish on Pengu because of the abstract chain they're building and the leadership of Luca Nets, who's proven his resilience during the bear market. The parent company of Pudgy Penguins is building abstract chain, an upcoming layer 2 solution with strong support and backing. From what I've seen, the teams working on abstract chain are creating something truly impressive. With abstract chain launching mid to late January, I wouldn't be surprised if Pengu's token hits 1 cent, delivering a solid 3x from its current price. On top of this, the NFT ecosystem around Pengu is thriving. While NFT prices have dipped slightly, the value has been made up through token airdrops. For example, the Kaido AI NFT, a tool popular among crypto veterans, is holding a floor price of 4.45 Ethereum, or about $13,000 at the time of filming. With all this momentum, I believe Pengu and its ecosystem are set to continue their upward trajectory, especially as more projects and opportunities emerge in the coming months. If you're watching this and finding value, make sure to like this video. There is a lot more research and insights my team is excited to share with you. Now let's dive deep into the meme coins. I have several plays right here. My investment approach with meme coins focuses on market leaders with over $100 million in market cap, good exchange listing, and a solid ecosystems or teams backing them. First is Mog, the second largest meme coin on Ethereum with $1.27 billion in market cap. First is Bread, leading on base chain and sitting at around $1.64 billion on market cap, but could easily reach $10 billion by the end of this cycle if Base continues its momentum. If there is one narrative I'm most bullish on, it's Base chain and the rise of a dominant dog meme coins. The activity on Base chain has been exploding, with projects like Virtuals and AI agents building on it. Coinbase's mission to dominate the crypto space as a top tier exchange will only boost Base growth. Every major chain typically has a standout meme coin, and Base is no exception. Meme coins, especially dog themed ones, have historically driven massive rallies in the market. Just look at Dogecoin sitting at $48 billion in market cap, or Shiba Inu ranked 14 at a $13 billion of market cap. Even Dog we've had has climbed to $2 billion in market cap. As we approach the latter half of this bull run, meme coins are likely to see another major surge. Right now, the biggest meme coin on Base is Bread at $1.4 billion of market cap. However, Bread has heavy VC backing, which takes away from its potential as a true community-driven meme coin. And this is where Ski Mask Dog comes in. Ski Mask Dog checks all the boxes. It's on Base, fully community owned, and has an incredibly passionate following. Over the past year, it rallied from under 0.03 cents to over 22 cents, now holding a $200 million market cap even after a market dip. With Base chain continuing to grow, Ski Mask Dog has the potential to flip Bread and compete with Shiba Inu as the standout dog coin of this cycle. If the community truly rallies behind it and Base continues its momentum, Ski Mask Dog could even aim for the heights of a Dogecoin itself. It might sound ambitious, but in crypto, strong communities often drive the biggest successive stories. Then there is a Whiff and Bong, the top memes on Solana. Both have similar narrative and could see a 4 or 5x growth as a Solana gains traction. Gold or Gold CS Maximus is the first AI agent meme coin listed on Binance and positioned to be a blue chip meme in the AI narrative. Fox C is another pick. A smaller meme on the Linea blockchain is backed by MetaMask and Consensus. Linea plans to launch its token in Q1 2025, making a Fox S a strong play at a $140 million market cap. Puff the Dragon is Mantle's top meme coin, supported by Bybit and launched by the M-Youth protocol team, making it a safer bet with legit backing. Lastly, M3 is the first meme launched on Meteor's meme coin farming platform. Meteor is Solana's second largest decentralized exchange, and this coin could take off when Meteor launched its token. And let me explain now why I'm so bullish on meme coins. In crypto, community and meme coins are unpredictable but incredibly powerful forces. Just imagine if someone like Elon Musk decides to post a photo of a dog wearing a ski mask, those kinds of moments send meme coins skyrocketing. We've seen what strong communities can achieve, like XRP, which reached $130 billion market cap purely because of its loyal supporters. With the global crypto market cap still growing, there is a plenty of room for ski mask dog to make waves. Here's why Ski stands out. First, there is a potential for Coinbase listing. Trump recently met with Coinbase CEO Brian Armstrong, signaling possible partnerships to grow the crypto space. Coinbase owns Base, and Ski is one of the top democratized meme coins on that network. Ski hasn't hit Tier 1 exchanges yet, but Coinbase has listed other Base-related projects like Mock and Degen Plus. Coinbase wallets hold over $1 million of Ski from transaction fees, which is another strong indicator of its potential. And Ski is currently valued at $227 million in market cap, up over 900% despite being 36% below its all-time high. It's the #1 trading token on Coinbase wallet with healthy volume and momentum. If Ski breaks $1 as I expect, that's an 860% gain from here. And if it reached the market cap of similar AI projects at their peaks, it could deliver up to 20x return, making it worth $4.5. That said, I've personally invested in Ski and I've also sold some along the way. I'm transparent about that. If you're uncomfortable with this or with the idea that I could sell at any time, don't buy just because I'm bullish. Do your own research and make decisions based on what aligns with your convictions. Now let's talk about the most important part of crypto investing, your exit strategy. It's not enough to buy the right coins and watch them grow. You need a clear plan for when to sell. Start by setting your own top signals, like seeing crypto apps flood the app store or your coworkers suddenly talking about buying crypto. When multiple indicators line up, stick to your plan and sell, even if it's not immediate. For example, I set a price target for Bitcoin. If it hits $250,000, that's my exit point. Whether it goes to 300k or even 500k after, I know my plan and I lock in profits. For altcoins, I'll sell if I am up 4 or 6x's, taking profits gradually instead of all at once. Always take out your initial investments early, so you are planning with house money and never risking more than you can afford to lose. Here's another tip: tie profits to real life goals. Want a Rolex, want a Lambo, a family vacation? Set price targets for your portfolio to find these milestones. That way, even if the market crashed, you've secured something tangible for your gains. It's unconventional, but it helps counteract the natural greed that hits when market hate up. If you are new to crypto, remember these hacks. First, sell a portion after 5x, even if it's just your initial investment, and keep a moonbug, 5% of all of your holdings, in case it skyrockets further. Second, watch for emotional signals. If you are constantly checking your portfolio and screenshotting your balance, it's probably time to sell, believe me. Third, follow broader trends. If Bitcoin hits 200 or 300k between May and August, I plan to exit the market entirely.